Dear viewers, welcome to Vedavyasa Academy. Now we are going to discuss about trigonometric transformations, level 1 problems, MSET JEE problems. So here we have given the value of cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power 2015 plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power 2015 is equal to, these are the options given. So from this one, here you take all of you, this is cos A plus cos B value. So cos A plus cos B by, this is sin A minus sin B is equal to what? This is in the form of cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 by denominator can be written as, this is sin A minus sin C minus sin D formula. 2 into cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. You observe here 2 cancel and cos of A plus B cancel. What we will have? Cot of A minus B by 2. Okay, all of you. Then you take second one. This is sin A plus sin B by, this is cos A minus cos B is equal to this sin C plus sin D form 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 by denominator minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Okay, all of you. 2 cancel, this sin of A plus B by 2, sin of A plus B by 2 cancel. We have minus cos A minus B by 2 by, this is sin cos A minus B by 2 by sin A minus B by 2. This is minus cot A minus B by 2. You observe here this value cot of A minus B by 2 whole power 2015 plus, this is minus cot of A minus B by 2 whole power 2015. Here this 2015 is the odd number and minus power odd number is minus. So we have this one cancel equal to 0. Okay, all of you. Suppose this is in the form of cos A plus cos B by, this is sin A minus sin B whole power n plus, this is sin A plus sin B by, here cos A minus cos B whole power n. If is equal to, if n is odd number, then this value is equal to 0. If n is even number, this value is 2 into cot of A minus B by 2. Okay, all of you. But here given number is odd number, so this value is what? This first option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. If n is even number, in place of 2015 even number is there, then 2 into cot of A minus B by 2, then you take. So if directly you write it is even number, this value will be 0. It is odd number, this value will be 2 into cot of A minus B by 2. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem trigonometry transformation MSET JEE Mains level 1 problems. Here second one, cos 2b is equal to cos of a plus c by cos of a minus c. Tan a, tan b, tan c are in. These are the options given. So here you observe here for this problem cos 2b by 1 is equal to cos of a plus c by cos of a minus c. Here we use componendo dividendo formula. What is componendo dividendo? A by b is equal to c by d is there. So b plus a by b minus a is equal to b plus a by b minus c. D plus c by d minus c. This is the componendo dividendo formula. For this one you have to use 1 plus cos 2b by 1 minus cos 2b is equal to, this is cos of a minus c plus cos of a plus c by denominator cos of a minus c minus cos of a plus c. Okay, all of you. So what is 1 plus cos 2b value? 2 cos square b by 2 sin square b. For 1 minus cos 2b formula is equal to, this is 2 into cos a into cos c by denominator 2 into sin a into sin b. Direct formulas. So 2 cancel. Here also 2 cancel. What is cot square b is equal to cot a cot b. So from this you can write tan square b is equal to tan b, tan a, tan c. So this is c. Okay, this is c. So tan square b is equal to tan a, tan c. Okay, then we can write as tan a comma tan b comma tan c are in geometric progression. Geometric progression GP. Why? Because a comma b comma c are in GP, then b square is equal to ac. So this is the formula. So we have tan square b is equal to tan a into tan c. Tan a, tan b, tan c are in GP. Okay, all of you. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Dear viewers, we have the problem that is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees implies cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to. These are the options are given. So here what given here? A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees and also this one given. So this is this 2 cos 2a plus cos 2b in the form of cos c plus cos d. So cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is given. From these two you can write 2 into cos a 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2, that is a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos 2 is equal to 2 into cos square c minus 1. Here given a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So a plus b is equal to what? 180 degrees minus c. Cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos c, or minus cos of a plus b is equal to cos c. So here two conditions arise. Cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos c, minus cos of a plus b is equal to cos c. So here 2 into cos c, this is 2 into cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos c. So minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus 2 into cos square c minus 1. From these two, minus 2 cos c as common, cos of a minus b minus cos c minus 1. but minus cos c is equal to what? Minus cos c is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a plus b. So minus 2 into cos c, here cos of a minus b, this value plus cos of a plus b, this is minus 1, implies. So cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b is there. Minus 2 into cos c, this can be written as 2 into cos a cos b minus 1. Finally, you can write 2 into 2, this is minus 1, 2 into 2 minus 4 into order cos a cos b cos c. Cos c. Okay, all of you. So, we observe these options. For option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to. These are the options given. Here we have given cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. So here this cos square a plus this can be written as, we know the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? Standard formula. But cos square theta is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. By using this formula, you can write cos square b as 1 minus sin square b plus cos square c. Okay, all of you. So here you take 1 plus this is cos square a minus cos square b plus cos square c. Okay, so you observe here cos square a minus cos square b is equal to what? Sin square b. Sorry, this one sin square b. Sin square b is equal to what? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. So you have to write for this one cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. This is 1 plus cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos square c. This is cos square c. Okay, all of you. So we know that we have given a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Here we have given. So what is a plus b? 180 degrees minus c. So cos of a plus b is equal to what? Minus cos c. So this is the one result. So you have to apply here. This is 1 minus this as cos c plus cos into cos of a minus b plus cos square c. From these two, you take common cos c, then cos of a minus b minus cos of cos c. But minus cos c is equal to what? Cos of a plus b. So 1 minus cos c into 2 this one cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Okay, all of you. This is equal to, so 1 minus cos c into 2 into cos a cos b. Then what is 1 minus 2 into cos a cos b cos c is the answer. So we have the option 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to 270 degrees, then cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus 4 sin a sin b sin c is equal to. These are the options given. So here we have this is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Okay, this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to cos 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then we have 2 into cos A into cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus 2 cos C, and this is cos square C. This can be written as 1 minus 2 into sin square C. So here this one A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to 270 degrees. This is A plus B is equal to 270 degrees minus C. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 270 degrees minus C. This is cos of A plus B is equal to minus cos C. Minus sin C. Why? Because this is the complementary angle. So cos becomes sin. This is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos negative minus sin C. So we have cos of A plus B is equal to minus sin C. 1, you can write first one plus this is minus 2 sin C into cos of A minus B minus 2 sin square C. So 1 minus 2 sin C as common, cos of A minus B minus sin C. This is implies 1 minus 2 sin C, and this is cos of A minus B. This is minus sin C is equal to what? Plus cos of A plus B. So plus cos of A plus B. So here we have the direct formula, that is implies 1 minus 2 sin C into 2 cos A cos B. This is equal to what? 1 minus 2 into 2, 4 2 cos A cos B minus, this is plus sin C minus common, then we have the minus here, that is minus here, this is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is, that is 2 into sin A into sin B. So we have 4 into sin A, sin B, sin C. So what we can written as, this value is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to this value. Then cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. You can take this into this side, plus 4 into sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to 1. Then cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C plus 4 sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to what? 1. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem A plus B plus C is equal to 0 degree. Implies sin A plus sin B plus sin C is equal to. These are the options given. So here sin A plus sin B plus sin C. So this is the form of sin C plus sin D. So what? 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus, this can be written as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B by 2 is equal to minus C by 2. Sin of A plus B by 2 is equal to sin of minus C by 2 is equal to minus sin C by 2. So you can write this as 2 into minus sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus 2 into sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. So minus 2 sin c by 2 as common, that is cos of a minus b by 2. This is minus cos c by 2. Here you observe, this is, you have to apply here cos, that cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos of minus c by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. So this is minus 2 into sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus cos of a plus b by 2. Okay, this is minus 2 into sin c by 2 into, this can be written as 2 into sin a by 2 into sin c b by 2. So minus 4 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So minus 4 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, implies sin s plus sin s minus a plus sin s minus b minus sin s minus c. This is the problem on trigonometry transformations, that is answer JEE Mains level 1 problems. These are here, options are given here. How to solve this problem? Here you see, all of you, here we have given a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. This is in the form of sin c plus sin d, each one. First this is sin c plus sin d, this is sin c plus sin d. Then after you can solve that. This is sin s plus sin of s minus a equal to, this is sin c plus sin d, that is 2 into sin of s plus s minus a by 2 plus into cos of s minus of s minus a by 2. So we have 2 into sin of 2s means what? A plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c minus a by 2 into cos of s minus s cancel, a by 2 remaining. So this is 2 into sin of, here minus a plus a cancel, b plus c by 2 into cos of a by 2. Okay, all of you. So here next one, sin s minus b minus s minus sin s minus c. You take this one, sin of s minus b minus sin of s minus c. This is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to what? 2 into cos a c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is 2 into cos a c plus d by 2, s minus b plus s minus c, s minus b plus s minus c by 2 into sin s minus b minus s plus c by 2. Okay, all of you. So 2 into cos of s plus s, 2s. 2s means a plus b plus c minus b minus c by 2 into sin of s minus s cancel. This is c minus b by 2. Okay, all of you. Here minus b plus b cancel, minus c plus c cancel. Then 2 into cos of a by 2 into sin of c minus b by 2. So this value 2 sin of b plus c by 2 into cos a by 2. This value 2 cos of a by 2 into sin c minus b by 2. So we have sin s plus sin s minus a plus sin s minus b minus sin s minus c equal to, these both have 2 cos a by 2, 2 cos a by 2 common. 2 cos of a by 2 as common. Remaining is what? Remaining is sin of b plus c by 2. Sin of b plus c by 2. Plus this is sin of b minus c by 2. Sin of b plus c by 2. Sin of b minus c by 2. So this is in the form of sin c minus plus sin d. So 2 into cos c by 2. 2 into cos c by 2. Sorry, a by 2. Sorry, a by 2. This is a by 2 into sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to what? 2 into this is sin b by 2 into cos c by 2 is there. So 2 into 2 4. This is cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. Okay, so we have 4 cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. So option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem 1 minus cos a plus cos b minus cos of a plus b by 1 plus cos a minus cos b minus cos of a plus b is equal to. Here we have given options. These are the options. So how to solve this problem? Here you observe. Here 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a by 2 plus these are in the form of cos c minus cos d form. So what is minus 2 into sin of b plus a plus b by 2 into this as sin of b minus a minus b by 2. Okay, minus b plus b cancel. By denominator 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus common. This is minus common 2 into cos of b plus a plus b by 2 into cos of b minus a minus b by 2. Minus b plus b cancel. So we have the 2 sin square a by 2 minus 2 sin of 2b plus a by 2 into minus sin of minus a by 2. Minus a by 2, minus get plus, sin a by 2 is there. By denominator 2 cos square a by 2 minus 2 into cos of a plus 2b by 2. Okay, into cos of minus a by 2. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is a by 2. From numerator you take common 2 sin a by 2. This is sin a by 2 plus sin of 2b plus a by 2. By denominator 2 cos a by 2 as common, that is cos a by 2 minus cos of a plus 2b by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. This is tan a by 2. Numerator is in the form of sin c plus sin d form. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is 2 into sin of a by 2 plus 2b plus a by 2. So this is sin of a plus b by 2 finally. This is sin a by 2 sin of into cos of a by 2 minus 2b by 2 minus a by 2. So minus a by 2 plus a by 2 cancel, 2b by 2 by 2. So b by 2 is there. So numerator is b by 2. Denominator denominator cos a by 2 minus cos b, cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is equal to what? 2 into minus 2 into sin a plus b by 2 into this is so a by 2 minus a by 2 2b by 2 by 2. So sin of b by 2 is there. The sign of minus b by 2 is there. So we have 2 cancel, and this is tan a by 2. This sin b by 2, cos b by 2. This one cancel. Minus as minus plus. This is cot b by 2. So we have tan a by 2 into cot b by 2. So option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1 implies x by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus y square plus z by 1 plus z square is equal to. These are the options given. So we have, this is here x by here xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. You take a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. Then what? This is a plus b is equal to 90 degrees minus c. This is tan of a plus b is equal to tan 90 degrees minus c. This is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to, this is cot c 1 by tan c. By cross multiplication, you can write tan a tan c plus tan b tan c is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. You take into this side. This is tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan c. Tan c into tan a is equal to 1. Okay, all of you. That is, you here, if x is equal to tan a, y is equal to tan b, z is equal to tan c, then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. First result. Suppose you take here 1 by 2 into 2xy 1 plus x square plus 2y by 1 plus y square plus 2z by 1 plus z square. So 1 by 2 into, this is x is equal to tan a, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Okay, all of you. But sin 2a plus sin 2c, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 into cos a cos b cos c. 4 into cos a cos b cos c. Then this is 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of. So here also 1 by 2 to the 4, that is 2 into cos a cos b cos c. Here x is equal to what? Tan a. X is equal to tan a means here this is a. X is equal to x 1. This what? 1 plus x square. This one you take b. This is y 1 root over 1 plus y square. So this right angle triangle C, this is z. This is 1. This is root over 1 plus z square. That is 2 into cos a. Cos a is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus x square into 1 by root over 1 plus y square into 1 by root over 1 plus z square. That is 2 by root over 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square into 1 plus z square. Okay, all of you. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Option 3 is the answer.